Our third question is find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form whose distance for C is 2 and the length of the lattice rectum is 15 by 2. So we have to find the equation of ellipse in the standard form. We know that equation of ellipse in the standard form is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1. So we have to find the value of a square and b square here. Okay. So for that we are having two values. First, given value of distance between foci is given, which is equals to 2. Distance between two foci is given by the formula 2AE is equals to 2. Cancelling 2 on both sides will get A is equal to 1. And the length of the lattice rectum is given, which is equals to 15 by 2. And the length of the lattice rectum formula is 2b square by A, which is equals to 15 by 2. If we multiply them, we'll get cross multiplication 4b square is equals to 15a. From here, we'll get the value of b square is equals to 15a by 4. We know the formula of b square, which is equals to a square into 1 minus e square. Multiplying a square inside, so it is a square minus ae whole square. We can write it once because both of them is having square, right? Now substitute the value of b square and ae, which is equals to 1. So here it is 15a by 4 equals to a square minus 1 square. So now 4 can be multiplied here, so it is 15a is equals to 4 into a square minus 1, which can be written as 15a is equals to 4a square minus 4. Transposing this here, so it is 4a square minus 15a minus 4 equals to 0. Now we have to take the factors. 4 4 is 16. So 16 and 1 is a factor of this term. So we can write it as 4a square plus a minus 16a minus 4 equals to 0. Taking a common, so it is a 4a plus 1, and here also we are writing the same factor 4a plus 1, so minus 4 is a common factor equal to 0. So a minus 4 and 4a plus 1 equals to 0. So here we'll get a is equals to 4 and a is equals to minus 1 by 4. So this does not exist. Okay, the fraction and the negative term does not exist. And now we got the value of a as 4. Okay, so a is equals to 4. We know that b square is equals to 15a by 4. So this can be written as b square is equals to 15 by 4 into the value of a. So this gets cancelled. So b square is equals to 15, right? And the value of a square will be equal to 16. Therefore, the equation of ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 15 equals to 1 is our answer. Fourth question is find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form such that the distance between foci is 8 and the distance between the directrix is 32. So here also we should get it in the standard form. So we'll find the value of a square and b square. So the given values are the distance between foci, which is equals to 8 here. So the formula is 2ae is equals to 8, to one side and to four sides. So ae is equals to 4 here. And again the distance between the directrix is given. Distance between directrix, which is equals to 32, right? And the formula is 2a by e is equals to 32. 2 ones are 2, to 16 the 32, so we'll get a by e is equals to 16. So we are having these two values, we should use them and solve. So now we can write ae into a by e is equals to 4 into 16. Here e gets cancelled. A into a is a square is equals to 64. So the value of a from here will get as a is equals to 8. We know the formula of b square, right? B square is equals to a square into 1 minus e square. So this can be written as b square is equals to a square minus ae whole square. So now substitute. So it is b square is equals to a square value is 64 minus ae value is 4 square. So which is equals to 64 minus 16, which is equals to 48. Therefore, the equation of ellipse is x square by 64 plus y square by 48 equals to 1 is our answer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.